Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Rise podcast. I am Jessica.
And I'm Mark. Hello, everyone. We hope you're having an amazing day. Jessica, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy, though.
That's perfect because today's topic is all about mornings.
Oh no, not mornings again.
What do you mean?
I love sleeping. If someone gave me a choice between waking up early and sleeping one more hour,
Let me guess.
I'm choosing sleep.
Every single time?
Every single time.
Guys, today's episode is called A Real Morning in Dubai.
We're going to take you through a typical morning, from waking up, making tea, getting ready for work, taking the metro, and finally reaching the office.
And while we're talking, you'll learn useful English naturally.
No boring grammar,
No difficult rules.
just real conversations.
And maybe a few funny stories.
Definitely a few funny stories.
Before we begin, Jessica, how do you pronounce this word? Morning.
Good question. It's morning.
Not morning.
Morning.
Great. Let's begin our morning in Dubai. Let's start with the hardest part of every day.
Waking up.
Exactly.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6 a.m. on working days.
Wow, that's early.
What about you?
6:30. It's too early for me.
That's not bad.
Trust me, getting out of bed is the real challenge.
Same here.
My alarm rings and my brain immediately starts negotiating.
Negotiating?
Yes, my brain says, Jessica, 5 more minutes won't hurt,
The famous 5 minutes.
which somehow become 20 minutes.
One day I pressed the snooze button 4 times.
What? 4 times? No way.
Yes. Then I looked at my phone and thought, oh no, I'm late.
Guys, that's a very useful sentence.
Repeat after me. I'm late.
Not, I am getting late.
Native speakers usually say, I'm late.
Mark, what's the difference between I'm late and I'm running late?
Great question.
I know, I'm smart.
Sometimes.
Hey!
I'm late means you are already late.
Okay,
I'm running late means you're probably going to be late.
that's useful.
Another thing I do after waking up is drink water,
Same.
especially in Dubai.
Because it's hot most of the year.
Exactly.
By the way, how do you pronounce hydrated?
Hydrated.
Hydrated.
Staying hydrated is important.
Look at us teaching English before breakfast. Okay, let's move to my favorite part of the morning.
Let me guess.
Tea.
I knew it.
What about you? Tea or coffee?
Coffee during busy days.
Really?
Yes, coffee wakes me up faster.
I prefer Karak tea.
Every Dubai resident loves Karak.
I remember my first Karak tea.
Too sweet?
Way too sweet.
Same.
But now I love it.
While my tea or coffee is getting ready, I usually think about the day ahead.
Meetings?
Meetings.
Tasks?
Tasks.
Problems?
Lots of problems. What do you do while drinking tea?
Honestly,
Be honest.
I check my phone.
Bad habit.
I know.
Social media?
Mostly.
That's dangerous.
Why?
Because you open TikTok for 2 minutes.
And suddenly 20 minutes disappear.
Exactly.
Has that happened to you?
More times than I'd like to admit.
Guys, useful phrase, waste time.
Example. I wasted 20 minutes scrolling on my phone.
Repeat. I wasted 20 minutes scrolling on my phone.
Repeat.
Perfect. After tea, it's time to get ready.
This is where the real struggle begins.
Choosing clothes?
Yes,
Men have it easy.
that's not true.
Really?
Sometimes I change shirts 3 times.
Why?
One shirt needs ironing.
Oh, okay.
Another doesn't match.
Really? That's our line.
And the third one finally works.
That's funny.
What about you?
I prepare my clothes the night before.
That's smart.
It saves time.
Guys, useful phrase. I need to hurry.
Repeat. I need to hurry.
Another common phrase is, I'm in a hurry.
Mark, what's the difference?
Not much.
Really?
They're very similar.
So I can say both.
Absolutely.
Great.
After that, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
Same.
Then I check if I forgot anything.
Keys?
Keys.
Wallet?
Wallet.
Knoll card?
Definitely Knoll card.
Forgetting your Knoll card in Dubai is a disaster.
A small disaster.
Time to leave home.
And face the morning rush.
How do you get to work? Metro or car?
Metro.
Same here. I take the metro too.
I love how clean the Dubai metro is.
Me too. And the air conditioning is amazing.
Absolutely.
We definitely need it in Dubai, especially in summer.
Jessica, can you imagine Dubai without a sea?
No thanks.
Me neither.
What do you usually do during the metro ride?
Sometimes I listen to podcasts.
Like Speak and Rise podcast?
Of course.
Nice answer.
Sometimes I listen to English audiobooks too.
That's a great way to improve English.
Even 15 minutes every day helps.
People think they need 3 hours daily.
Not true.
Consistency is more important.
Exactly.
Useful metro phrase. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Very useful.
Or, sorry, can I pass?
Perfect for crowded trains.
Guys, tell us in the comments.
Do you drive to work?
Or use public transport.
Finally, we arrive at work.
One more day begins.
I always try to greet people with a smile.
That's important.
A simple good morning can change someone's mood.
I agree.
Small habits make a big difference.
So that's what a real morning in Dubai looks like.
We hope you enjoyed learning English through real conversations.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar rules.
It comes from listening,
Speaking,
practicing.
and making mistakes without fear.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Speak and Rise podcast.
And tell us in the comments, what does your morning routine look like?
We'd love to hear from you.
Have an amazing day.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.